Welcome to Frugal Rich Living. My name is Jacqueline, a single mom of 2 teenage girls. I created this channel to show how to budget using credit cards and help keep myself accountable. Today, we are going to do our weekly check-in for the March 12th paycheck. Hopefully the lighting is okay. Let me know how the lighting is in the comments below. Hopefully everyone received their stimulus check. Yay! And are able to breathe a little better. So for, actually, I think I need this page. So again, I use Every Dollar app to track my spending, and I'm just gonna warn you guys, I almost hit all of my spending for the month, and we're only 1 week in. We're only on the first week. So not too good. So out of $450 so I budget $450 for groceries. Out of $450, I have already spent $405.59, but I will say that I did go to BJ's last paycheck. We were under budget for groceries, and I was saying that I think that was because I didn't do the BJ's run. And I usually, so in BJ's you buy in bulk, therefore you have more food to last you longer. So let's see how I do. And we are a family of 3, and I budget for $450 monthly. And that is leaving us with a whopping $44.41 for the remainder of the month. That's gonna be interesting. And then for transportation, I budget $200, and out of that $200, I spent $41.37, and we have $158.63 left to budget for the month. Allowance, I think I already went over budget. Allowance, I budget $100 for myself, and I've already spent $103.83. So I am in the negative. So let's go ahead and mark that in red, negative $3.83. Household and beauty, I budgeted $150. I also overspent. We needed a lot of things. So I spent $155.68, and I overspent $5.68. And I will say this March is a very heavy month. My daughter's birthday is in March. She's actually turning 18 on Monday. I'm recording this on Thursday. She's turning 18 on Monday, the 22nd. I don't know what I'm just a ball of emotions. So I'm trying to make it really nice for her. And that's kind of why I'm already over budget on a lot of these things. Miscellaneous. I plan $50 for miscellaneous. Oh, wow, okay. I plan $50 for miscellaneous, and I spent $89.95. And we overspent $39.95. Okay, so what happened here? I got a ticket. So this is for the ticket clinic. I was going down, actually, it was a horrible day. I was going down a road that I usually don't go down, and they had a speed trap there, and yep, they caught me speeding. So that's that. But usually the ticket clinic, though, I've never had, I don't have any tickets on my license. I don't have any points, no nothing. So they'll usually get it thrown out when you go with someone like the ticket clinic. I don't know if you guys have that in wherever you are from, but where I'm from, Florida, the ticket clinic is a big thing. The kids, I budget $100. We spend $50.80, and we have 49. Sorry. Oh, yes. Why did I write 42? Interesting. Let's get our handy dandy whiteout. So we have $49.20 left over. And for fun, I budget $100, and we spent $21.70 with $78.30 remaining. And for medical, I split this between doctor visits, so I'll show you here. So for medical, it's split between doctor visits and medicine / vitamins, and I budget $105 for that. The reason why I do $55 for doctor visits, just in case, so if I see a specialist, that's $55. If I see a regular primary provider, I think I pay $30 or $35, something like that. I'm not sure. But this month I'm having some issues. I guess that's what happens when you reach a particular age. And I know for sure what I budgeted is not going to be enough. Because I have a bunch of doctor visits coming up, and I have to go for physical therapy, which is going to be quite expensive. So so far I spent, let's see, and because I break it up between for the medical, the doctor visits, and the medicine and the vitamins, it's because I like to see how much I'm spending in each category. So I have to add it up. So 55 plus $9.68. That was for Walgreens, is $64.68. That was spent, which leaves us with $40.32. So that is what we are working with for the rest of the month. That's not... So I do, we're going to take this out, and we're going to put in the actual here from our monthly view. So this is what I budget for. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So this is what I budget for, and I did receive my stimulus check, so my total will be $57.35.28 that I have to budget, but that's going straight into debt. The $2,800 is going straight into debt. And I'll show you that at the end of, so next week, Thursday, I'll show you what I do with that. Okay, so the way I do it is I budget a certain amount for the month. So I plan for this, and then when the actual comes in, I zoom you out. And then when the actual comes in, I like to put it on my monthly view. And when it comes in, I'll just check it off. So all of these have come in. So now I'm going to add my actuals onto the paycheck bill tracker. So for FP&L, which is our electric here in Florida is that came in at $143.65. So that was, oops, you can't see. So that was over what I budgeted for. For whatever reason, my electric and my water is on the rise. It just keeps rising. I'm about to unplug everything in my house. Financial, that's my credit card that I pay off every month, is $150. City Double was actually $167.97, and Chase was $212.81. And these, they went lower because I'm putting more into those cards. These are the credit cards that I'm paying off. And then UFit was $24.59. That did not change. And then the Bank of America, I pay off monthly, so that doesn't hold a balance, and it's $769.75. And this is all the expenditures from last month that I did from my variable spending. So now we can put this back in here. And we can add this up since all of my bills have been paid for this paycheck. The only thing that I'm waiting on is my expenditures for next week to add them in here, and then I can close out my budget on Thursday, and then I'll show you what I did with the stimulus check that I got. So opening up my calculator here. We'll add this up. 143.65 plus 150 plus 167.97 plus 212.81 plus 24.59 plus 769.75. And that's $1,468.77, and we will subtract that from our total, $57.35.28. That gives us $4,266.51, which that would be correct because that's exactly the amount of money that I have in my bank account. And thank you for watching. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I hope we can make this a safe place to come and ask questions and share our ideas. See you next week. Bye.